Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to use the Nintendo Switch hidden browser. So first of all, step 1, from the Switch home screen, tap on gear icon to go to system settings. Step 2, select internet and then choose internet settings. Step 3, under registered networks, click on the name of your Wi-Fi. Step 4, you will be presented with 3 options: connect to this network, change settings and delete settings. Click on change settings. Step 5, select DNS setting by default. The DNS setting will be set to automatic. Click on it and change this to manual. Step 6, under DNS setting you find 2 options: primary DNS and secondary DNS. Select primary DNS. Step 7, a series of zeros will be set as default. Replace the default numbers with 045.055.142.122. Step 8, save the changes you just made by selecting save. A pop-up will inform you that the settings have been saved. You then be taken back to the screen which says connect to this network. Select it and wait a few seconds. You now encounter a screen which says registration is required to use this network. Hit next. Step 9, when you click next, you'll be taken to the Switch Brew DNS page. The last step is to click on continue to Google. Step 10, you will see the Google search bar and that means you have done it. You are now free to surf the web. Step 11, once you are done using the hidden web browser on the Switch, simply end your session, go back to your Wi-Fi's DNS setting and change manual back to automatic. Hope you guys like this guide. Please leave a like and subscribe for more guides like this.